This is Joe Pryor with the Virtual Real Estate Team, and we're doing a series of videos just to kind of emphasize what's going on in business, the growth of Oklahoma City. We're going to go downtown in a little bit. But what you see back here is called the Oaks. We're at a major shopping area. There's a big mall across the street. This is a hub of Oklahoma City. And what's happening is those names that you're familiar with, like Restoration Hardware, Capital Grill, Our House Furniture, are all going in back here. So they don't do these things unless the population is there, the money is being spent, and this is all private money. And what you're also seeing is more retail space. You're seeing a hotel go up. You're seeing apartments, going in, places for people to live. This is happening all over the city. You're seeing these pockets where millions upon millions of dollars are being put in because the city is growing, the city is prosperous, the employment is here, and these companies recognize it. And so it enriches the city, brings in tax dollars, makes the infrastructure even better. And so we're very excited. We can show you a lot of these, but we wanted to kind of hone in on this one to give you an example. But understand, this isn't the only one that's being done. More are being done, and that is something that is enriching the city. It's helping the quality of life, and you're going to see more from us today in terms of other areas that I think are very, very special. So stay tuned.